Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Wise in Upwork. How do I receive money from Upwork with Wise? Upwork is a freelancing platform that helps business and individuals contact business and for freelancers to get paid. Upwork operates in US dollars. If you decide to get paid in different currency, the platform will convert the money at an exchange rate decided by Upwork before paying out to your Wise account. You can receive money from Upwork in a number of currencies, but it is best to get paid in US dollars and convert the money via Wise. Regardless of what country you live in, you can get up to receive payments in US dollars to your Wise account. Set up your US dollar account details on Upwork. 1. Make sure you have US dollar account details. 2. On Upwork, go to Settings. 3. Select Get Paid. 4. Select Payment Details and Add Method. 5. Select Direct to US Bank and Setup. 6. Add your US dollar account details from Wise. 7. Check the box to validate the information provided. You will have to confirm this by entering your Upwork password. 8. Confirm the details by selecting Add Account. 9. Upwork might send you 1 or 2 micro deposits to your Wise US dollar account to verify your ownership of the account. This can take 1 to 3 days to arrive and you will need to go to Upwork and confirm the amounts received. 10. All set. Now you can get paid in US dollars from Upwork. So this is how you set up your Wise in Upwork. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.